If you're seeing the Err Connection Closed error in Chrome, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This error usually means Chrome is having trouble connecting to a website, and the good news is that most of the time it's caused by a simple network issue, browser data problem, or a system setting that can be repaired in just a few minutes. So stick with me, and by the end of this tutorial you should be able to get Chrome working normally again. Before we get into the fixes, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new solutions are uploaded. Alright, let's start with the easiest and most common fix, checking your internet connection and restarting your router. Sometimes the issue isn't Chrome at all, but your network connection has dropped, slowed down, or become unstable. First, try opening a different website to see if the problem happens everywhere or only on one page. You can also test another device on the same Wi-Fi network, like your phone or tablet. If nothing is loading properly, unplug your router and modem from power, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug them back in. Give the internet a minute to reconnect, then open Chrome again and test the site one more time. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear Chrome's browsing data. Over time, cached files and cookies can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with how Chrome loads websites. To do this, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then go to Clear Browsing Data. On Windows, you can also use the shortcut Control, Shift, and Delete. On Mac, use Command, Shift, and Delete. In the window that opens, set the time range to All Time. Then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Once those boxes are selected, click Delete Data. After that, close Chrome completely and reopen it, then try visiting the website again. Now let's move on to a fix that can help on Windows computers specifically, flushing DNS and renewing your network information. Sometimes Chrome can't find the correct route to a website because your DNS cache is stale or broken. To refresh it, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD, right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. When the black window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. Once that command finishes, restart your computer completely. When your PC turns back on, open Chrome and test the website again. This often clears out hidden network conflicts and connection errors. Another thing to check is whether you're using a VPN or proxy. These tools can sometimes interfere with Chrome's ability to reach certain websites. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it temporarily and try loading the page again. If you use a proxy, go into your network settings and turn that off as well. Then reopen Chrome and see if the connection error disappears. Sometimes the website itself is fine, but the VPN route is what's causing the problem. If none of those fixes work, the next step is to reset Chrome settings back to default. This is useful if a hidden setting, extension conflict, or experimental flag is causing the browser to behave incorrectly. The good thing is that resetting Chrome does not remove your bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. To do it, open Chrome settings, scroll down, and click Reset Settings. Then choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm by clicking Reset Settings. Once it's done, restart Chrome and test the website one more time. At this point, in most cases, one of these steps will have fixed the Err Connection Closed Chrome error. If the issue was caused by your connection, browser data, DNS, VPN, proxy, or a bad Chrome setting, or your browser should now be loading websites normally again. If not, you can repeat the steps carefully and make sure each one is completed in full before moving on. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes, beginner-friendly guides, and troubleshooting videos. And if you want, check the next video on the screen for more Chrome and Windows solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.